Daddy's home now, guys.
Can she get up myself?
Gusto lang niyang i-ano. Ha? Yeah, Paris can. Gustong i-haul ni Daddy yung pinamili niya kanina lunch break niya, guys. Si Lini, is your daddy home? Is your daddy home? You happy? You happy? What color is that, Bob? Is that gonna blend?
Yeah.
Put it in the middle.
Where?
Careful. There, in the middle of the table. Wow! Good job. Oh, we've got kettle. Nice. Daddy's got, oh, tingnan nyo. Air fryer. I never had air fryer my whole life. So it'd be really interesting. Ah, how about that? Rice and steaming. Tingnan nyo ang nag-unbox at nag-haul, guys. Daddy, she got bored. It's not toy.
Can we put it to bed?
It's not toys. Try if you can. It's not toys, man. Gikaturugan man, eh. Good morning. Tingnan niyo ang ating baby girl ay nagtiti ng walang tubig. Say hi, Tita Nak. Good morning, everyone. Ang aming Ate Paris ay tulog pa, guys. So, nandito kami sa kabilang room. Kasi ito siya ay paiyak-iyak. Oh, shush. Yeah. There you go. Do you love that one? Late na kasi nakatulog si Ate Paris kagabi kasi nakita niyo naman, 'di ba? Anong oras na 'yon? Nakatulog siya sa hotel tapos nag-check out kami pagdating dito sa bahay, gising na gising. So, ano na 'yun? Mga midnight na yun siya nakatulog ulit. Tingnan niyo, guys. Dinala ko to siya from the hotel kasi hindi naman kami nagtiti doon. Kasi palagi kaming labas. Ito, coffee. O, dinala ko na lang. Sayang naman. Nak na? Binayaran pa naman, nak. Mahal para bang hotel? What is going on? Okay, this one. Have a look at this green one. Have a look at the green one. Oh, shush! Careful. Okay, she's crying, girl. Okay, baby. Oh, okay, we'll have this one. We'll have this. Okay, and then we'll play. Here you go. Here you go. Alright, tingnan nyo, hindi pa na organized to. So, Daddy's at work now. Ayan. Oh, ito pala yung ating pillows. Ayan. So, sabi, ipa-air out daw for, at least 12 hours before gamitin. Para sa full talaga na, Tingnan nyo, medyo lumalaki na siya. Anong tawag dito sa Pilipinas, guys? Magic pillow. Magic pillow. So, ayan. Mamayang gabi, pwede na natin yung gamitin. Although, yung isa, ginamit na ni Daddy Mike last night. Wala na siyang pakialam, guys. At ito yung blanket na binili ni Daddy Mike. I just opened it. Ayan, I like it. Tingnan nyo. Ganda ng kulay. Maganda na to siya kapag nailagay na sa ibabaw ng bed. Sa blanket lang. It's from Ades. Kasi, hindi naman kailangan ng blanket dito na makapal, guys. Grabe. Init. Sobrang init, nak na. Hi! Yung mga gamit ko, guys, yung mga nasa mga plastic bag, mga toiletries, nilagay ko na sa bathroom. Pero ito siya, ay paiyak-iyak mo ng ating baby girl. Are you okay? I was trying to wake up Ate Paris before, but hindi talaga, guys. Punta sana kami ng ang tawag dito. Hindi pa ako nag-base ng aking t-shirt, guys. Pero nag-change na ako ng pants and yung t-shirt hindi pa kasi plano ko sana pagkagising ni Ate Paris pupunta kami ng Woolworths para bumili ng mga tawag dito, ng mga kailangan namin dito yung konti lang para mabitbit ba. Kasi maglalakad lang. Very close lang, guys. Diyan lang, straight lang talaga sa street namin. The end, yun na yung, yung supermarket. But, yung plano ko sana is din na kami kakain ng, ng breakfast. Bili lang kami ng fruit and whatnot. But then, since it's getting late now, tulog pa rin ang ating parents. So, nag-order na lang ako ng breakfast na pancake. Nak, no? Would you like some pancake too? Tingnan nyo, nakatingin. So, nag-order ako ng pancake. And it will be here very soon. Ayan, sabi, oh, your order is on the move. Ayan. Para mamaya, pagkagising niya, kakain na lang kami. And then, plano ko kasi today, guys, na pumunta ng Bunnings. So, Bunnings is around 3 kilometers from here. And then, wala pa tayong sasakyan. Oh my goodness. So, it means we have to catch Uber again. Bibili lang ako ng mga, ng hangers. Maybe mga storage na mga maliliit. Alam niyo yun. Yung kaya ko lang bit-bitin, guys. Kasi alam niyo naman, I have 2 kids. And then, kailangan ko pang magbit-bit sa Uber pa. So, it's different kapag may sasakyan, diba? Kasi very handy. But then, hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin ang ating sasakyan dito, guys. Yung update, last time, sabi ni Daddy Mike na, diba, the car will be here by the 31st of January. Today is the 2nd of Feb now. And then, sabi nila, tinawagan ni Daddy Mike kahapon, sabi nila, the car is due to arrive in Brisbane today, Wednesday, 2nd of Feb. And sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike, I don't believe anymore. Like, seriously. And sabi naman ni Daddy Mike sa akin, I understand you kasi, they didn't give you a reason to believe and to trust them na darating dito. Kasi, on time. Kasi sabi nila, February 2, darating ng Brisbane. So, they were just going to unload the car from whatever, the ship or pinaglagyan nila. So, hopefully, by Saturday, we're able to pick up or tomorrow or very soon, guys. Kasi kailangan na talaga namin ng sasakyan. I'm very happy that we have all this stuff here now. May nagising na ata. Wala. Baka sa taas. Baka sa taas. Yeah, very happy that we have all this stuff here na. The other, yung mga ganito. Tapos yung ating, storage doon. Sa Sunday yun siya dadalhin dito. But, yeah, yung kulang lang talaga is yung sasakyan. Yeah, it's super late now, guys. Alam nyo ba na yung ETA ng sasakyan is 10th of January. So, it's nearly 1 month late yung ating sasakyan. And, yeah, we spent too much sa aming transport dito for the whole month. Kasi, yeah, kailangan naming umalis-alis, diba? Especially nung nag-i-inspect kami ng bahay. And kahit ngayon, guys, kasi, alam nyo, today, pupunta kami ng Bunnings or gusto kong pumunta ng IKEA. We can't do it because, very expensive. Okay lang siguro yung Bunnings kasi hindi masyadong malayo dito. But yung IKEA is super layo. So, kailangan talaga namin ng sariling sasakyan. And, alam nyo ba na very expensive yung bayad sa sasakyan padala dito, guys. It's over $1,000 yung bayad padala ng sasakyan dito. So, now, we're just hoping that it will arrive very soon and in good condition. Sana walang nangyaring masama sa sasakyan natin. And by then, we'll be really happy. Won't we, Nak? Tingnan nyo. Magsasalita na lang ako, Nak, kasi hindi ka umiiyak kapag nagsasalita si Mama. Are you okay now? Good girl mo na ni Mama. Morning! Ate Paris, ito ba? Say good morning, Ate.
Good morning.
Good morning. Kanina pa dumating ang ating pagkain, guys. She just woke up. Aww. You have a good sleep? Okay. Have a look. Yummy! Here's some yummy food. You eat pa feeling so good,
Hands are shiny.
Shiny. Yeah. Did you dream?
Yeah.
What did you dream about? Butterfly? Butterfly again. I'm just gonna get some. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang batang walang damit. Ang batang walang damit. Okay, let's eat together.
My lips so shiny.
Yeah. Do you want me to cut the pancake for you? Remember?
Oh, this is the orange.
It's orange juice. Like what the doctor said. You have to eat healthy food and drink.
My house. My edo. Edo.
Eat too? What's eat too? Celine wants to eat too.
Oh, my thing can have this one.
Which one?
This
Then after this one up, after you eat, then we'll go to Bunnings.
bunny. Bunny.
Have to catch taxi again. Okay.
Mom, can you see how my lips?
Later when I poke it, excuse me. Do you want some? Hey.
Don't laugh.
You're laughing. You'll eat soon too. Yeah, once we have everything in here. She's hot guys, kaya tingnan nyo. Ginubaran ko.
Remember, I was too hot.
Yes.
A few moments later.
We'll check. I think Celine is awake now. Go, go. Nagkagulo pa rin tayo. Kada ko sa ngisi sa bata nga nakatulog. Pero naghubo. Kay giinitan man ang bata man lagi. Ay, shush, kikalumat makanak ko. Sabi, get the boogers. Itag boogers na nakbero. The boogers. How was your nanap, malam? How was your nanap? Hala, tingnan nyo, nagkagulo pa dito, guys. My love. So, nabihisan ko na ang ating Ate Paris. Ayan. Kasi, pag naano na to siya, settle na to siya, padedicate ko kasi due na for fade. And then, we'll go to Bunnings. Yeah? I'm washing clothes pala, guys. And then, I move that from here para slowly ko nang mailagay yung aking mga kagamitan dito. So, naano ko na, oh. Yung mga maliliit lang ba? Nilabas ko sa mga, bagahe para malagay na sa garage ang mga bagahe. Actually, yung mga baggage, nasira na kasi yun, guys. Pwede na yun siyang itapon. Nanak, bye. Yes, kaya ko sa misin ako, oy. Porya buyag. Hindi pa talaga namin to magagawa hanggang sa Sabado siguro, guys. Yung walang trabaho si Daddy Mike. Nahirap kasi maaga alis. Tapos gabi na makauwi. So wala na. Wala biga, ate?
I got the box for making a volcano.
Oh, have a look. You put all your stickers. That's nice. Do you like that, Celine? Do you like that?
See what?
Shh. Nung ni Celine, oh. Ay! May kailak, ate. Ay, maganda ang tulog niya, oy. Alam niyo, natulog siya na hindi umiyak ba? Nilagay ko lang siya dito. I knew na ano na talaga siya, sleepy na talaga siya. Yes, ate. And?
I just
Okay.
I just got this box. I got this box from a volcano.
From a volcano?
No, going to make a volcano.
Okay. Alright then. Maybe Celine would love to help. Do you wanna help, Celine? Ha?
My Mimi.
Hala, I think comfortable siya guys na walang damit.
My,
Kasi paiyak-iyak siya ba nung may damit siya.
My, can you help me to piece this? The bed.
Tingnan niya ang bata, oh. Nilagay siya sa hig. So I put the mattress protector para malinis tingnan and also para hindi maanghang yung sa ilalim. Okay, you can go back now, Nak.
Mommy,
Thank you, ate.
do you want to make a volcano?
Yeah, we can make a volcano. We just have to put Celine back because have a look at her. Have a look at her. Hey. Hi, do you wanna go back on your bed? Huh?
No.
Careful, ate, ha? You might fall, ate, on your head. Ayan, oh, your bed is very comfortable now. There you go. Atu, atu, atu.
Dalo.
Aduh.
Oh, no.
Adu, du, du, du.
Look at this. Stop. I don't like it. I don't
A few moments later.
go back there.
Where? We're at Bunnings, guys.
Why? I want to go over there.
Ayan na ang aming mga napamili, oh.
Mommy.
Hindi ko na dadamihan kasi.
Mommy, I want
Hindi
to
ko
go
mabuhat-buhat.
I want to go that way.
Here you go. Alam niyo ba, it's only 3 o'clock ha, ng hapon. Pakita ko sa inyo sa labas. Palabas na sana kami kanina. Bumalik ako sa loob kasi. Have a look. It's so dark outside now. Tignan niyo, alas 3 pa ng hapon. Lakas kasi ng ulan, guys. May storm. Storm. Alam niyo ba, nandito ako para dito. Sa hangers nga. You know what? Ito lang dalawa. 2 packs lang yung naiwan. So, meron ako nakitang Kmart sa ano lang, harapan lang, but then it's raining. Doon sana kami pupunta ba? Umuulan na naman. So, we'll just probably go home now. And then, yeah, we'll just come back next time. Wala pa naman lahat yung mga damit natin sa ano, diba? Sa bahay. And this one, ayan, nakatulog na yan siya, guys. Ayan, nakagising lang yan. Ate, what did you do? Put it back, put it back. Put it back, malap. So maybe, ewan ko, dito lang siguro muna kami. Uy, paikot-ikot ba? Napakahirap itulak to, guys. Oh, nandiyan ang ating Ate Paris. Napakahirap. Ang bigat-bigat, guys. Grabe. Tapos meron pa to sa akin. Naku, ma'am life talaga. That way, nakbi, we'll see what plans I have. Tinitingin din ako ng plants, guys, diba? Nainiwan ko lahat ng plants sa bahay. Sa Melbourne. But I think I'll buy from, marketplace kasi they're probably nicer and cheaper. Tingnan nyo, oh. Yung iba dito mukhang, naghihikahos. Naghihikahos. That's lovely.
I found one. I'm not nervous.
Maybe. Wala kaming ibang na ano. Ito. Ito siya para sa para sa kitchen. Ito. Ay, panglinis. And then this. Try ko lang to. See if kasha. If kasha, balik kami dito para bilhin. Magbili ng more. Tapos ito. Oh, okay. I can hear Celine now.
I want to
Alright,
go
so you
home.
might make a move. Kasi it's really,
I want to go.
ngayon?
I really
4 o'clock.
want to go home now.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go home now, okay?
Yeah.
Daddy's home now, guys.
Can she get up myself?
Gusto lang niyang ha? Yeah, Paris can. Gustong i-haul ni Daddy yung pinamili niya kanina lunch break niya, guys. Celine, is your daddy home? Is your daddy home? You happy? You happy?
Look at daddy.
She always smile pag nakita niya yung daddy niya.
Wow, Daddy. You're so big now.
Big girl. It's the first one.
First one.
Oh, Daddy got this from
Adair.
Adair. There's. What's this one? Oh, it's a long cushion.
I'm gonna put this on the couch.
What color is that, Bob? Is that gonna blend?
Yeah. See? Daddy.
Don't you think like different color
Mommy.
will work better?
No, because I got the throw over as well.
Oh, the thing will get delivered tonight as well. The flower decor.
Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah, cause
From Didi. What about?
Uba. I asked her to. I just paid her, and she is booking it. What else? What's this one? Ah, nice. Oh, lovely. I love this.
Cute.
Yeah. Have a look. What's this? Put this in the middle. Okay, you put it in the middle. Come down.
I don't want to get a big one because I don't want it to like go over our eyes, you know.
Yeah. You okay? Careful with your head, Nak.
Cute.
Celine! Celine! Put it in the middle.
Where?
Careful. There, in the middle of the table. Table! Here. Yeah, middle.
This table.
Wow! Good job. Yeah, we're probably... I saw something before. Like, also like, rattan, like round thing.
Nice.
Yeah, it looks nice. I'll show you later.
Daddy?
Anyways, what else is in
Daddy,
here?
can I open the first one?
What else? Okay, keep the plastic nap for a rubbish nap.
Mommy,
This one.
I want to do it.
There's.
Are these for everything?
Oh.
What 300 pay for?
Yeah,
Yes, the other stuff.
Oh yeah, you got the right one.
Do you need this?
Yeah, right.
It's Daddy.
Okay.
Daddy, I can open this
Okay, we'll
one.
keep that.
Daddy, I
Put
can
that away
open
later.
this one.
Mommy will tell you.
Oh, they're so big. What's this? Ah, diffuser.
Let's
Sense ultrasonic
open it.
aroma diffuser.
Let's see the sign.
Have a look. Oh wow, that's cute.
Let's open it.
Okay, you open it. Careful, Nak, because we might break it, Nak.
That's the one that lights.
Do you
up
wanna
when
come
next to you.
close?
Yeah, I want to go closer so I don't fall. Let's open it.
Okay. Oh,
Wow. Well, this is so big.
oh, nice.
Wow.
Can I take it up? Oh, how does it work?
Is there plug in? Is there like there'll be a power cord down
That's
there.
cool, Mommy.
Oh, Nak, maybe something in here. Can you open the bottom, Nak?
Open the bottom.
Yeah, there might be lid there.
Mommy, I
Yes.
can't take it out.
That's
Mommy, Mommy, can you take
the
it?
most expensive.
Can you take it out? And I will take
Of course,
the
Daddy.
thing.
You always do buy the most expensive. Probably another box.
I want to do this.
No, this is berry. Like this morning in Paris.
I want to do this one.
Mommy?
What color is this?
Look, one.
Mommy, don't let that bag fall.
What's that?
Mom, can you get that? I want to hold
Oh.
my let me hold that one.
You don't really need this one, Daddy.
Mum, it's just decoration, not that you need it. It's nice. And you like
Same
colour
colour?
this? Huh?
Yeah. That's good. Very nice. Tingnan nyo guys. Pang ano lang siya dito guys. Oh, pang accessorize. Kirby stripe throw. 150. I'll do it better later. But yeah, ganyan lang yan siya guys. And then, what else in here? What was that? Nak? Oh, this is for the
Mommy.
diffuser.
Mine.
Nice.
Mine, that's open. That's open. That's open. That mine. Which one? Mine.
Yes.
So give me the green one.
Okay. Here, Nak. I'll just open this one. Oh, we've got kettle. Nice. Daddy's got, oh, tingnan nyo. Air fryer. I never had air fryer my whole life.
Hey, mommy.
So it'd be really interesting.
Mommy.
Just show me. Oh, cool. Don't open it, ha. You might spill it. Gusto kasi ni Daddy Mike, guys, na ano yung bang less na yung oil namin, especially with Paris.
Yeah.
You know, eating stuff. Be good.
Well, look at mine.
It's very heavy.
Mom, look at this one.
I got five.
Ah, how about that? Rice and steaming. It's my rice cooker, guys. Yes, my love.
Mommy.
Nice, honey.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll put them away.
Yeah. Check it out.
Tingnan nyo ang nag-unbox at nag-haul, guys. Daddy, she got bored. It's not toy.
Want me to put it to bed?
It's not toys. Try if you can. Not toys, man. Gikaturugan man, eh? Anyways, we unboxed the 3 boxes now, guys. So, ito yung isa. Sunbeam na air fryer. Cool. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, we might use this tonight for our dinner. I-try namin ba? Ito pa siya. That. Oh. May ganyang factor. Tapos, ano siya lagyan dito? Umiyak na. Ay, ayaw mo palagay. I knew it. I know that is there. Hang on, I'll give this dummy. Ay, nakatulog na. Okay. So, yan na yun. And then, ito yung ating, kettle natin. Yan. And then, my rice cooker. Sabi ko, Daddy, may kulang. Laki naman itong rice cooker natin. Ay, okay lang naman na. Malit na 7 cup. Oh. Pero okay lang naman kasi, obviously, I've got family here. So, diretso ka na. Pwede siyang din, steam. Ayan. Just put the boxes away. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
And then, ito siya. We'll just put it somewhere. Dito. Kung kakasya. Or see kung saan siya kakasya. Alright. And then, ito yung napamili natin kanina. Hindi nyo na kailangang makita. Oh, I think this one. Yeah, seen? Daddy, have a look at what Paris chose, Daddy.
Wow, that's great. We need to get some plants for you.
Yeah, watering her plants. This one. Glass cleaner.
Daddy.
Got a good one to the
My candy gave to me. I want to have it. My gave to me.
cloth set.
This one's so soft.
And then this one. how do you call this? Squeegee.
Mommy,
This one
mommy,
is my mom's favorite color, green.
mommy.
Yes, some more in there.
Yeah. You want that?
Yeah.
Hold on, look.
Be careful, Nak. Oh, Nak. You'll drop that one, Nak. It'll break.
Ooh la la.
Oh, la, la. The old guy was like laughing because he went to the cafe inside Bunnings, and Paris was like, "Ooh la la."
Ooh la la.
So what do I do? Just put the air fryer, put it on? There?
We'll have to read the instructions, but I never used something like that before.
Huh?
3-in-1 digital air fryer. Dami nito eh.
Alright, glasses look good?
Yeah,
Huh?
perfect. It looks perfect. It looks perfect. So, put this away.
Guys, I popped this one. Look,
Ah, actually, ito pala guys. Oh,
this one.
7 to 14 cups. Replacement 12-month guarantee.
Mommy, look.
Mm.
I did it. I put it out, Mommy. I did it, Mommy.
Oh, well done, sweetheart.
Mommy, look, I did it.
Bili din ako nito guys. Para sa ating bathroom. And, oh, I'll show you.
I'll show you.
May binili ako kanina na ano, di ba, yung mga white.
Huh?
Come over here. I'm gonna show you.
Ito. So, hindi pa to ano guys, yung nandito lang sa akin. Diyan ko nilagay para hindi siya very messy tingnan. But, ito yung binili natin, oh, di ba? Maganda pong organized. Tatlo lang yung binili ko kasi I'm not too sure kung kakasya siya. And then now that I know nakasya siya, so I'll buy more for dyan, dalawa pa dyan. Tapos doon sa kabilang bathroom na ganyan din. Kasi kasing size lang naman siguro sila, yeah. It's the same size. Ito pala yung bathroom ni Daddy Mike, guys. Siya yung magamit nito. Ako yung sa kabila para ano yung mga gamit namin, hindi. Kasi minsan ako pag nagamit ako ng mga makeup and everything, dyan lang. Daddy Mike ayaw niya.
I love you, Mike.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Bye.
okay. Yes, madam.
I just did these ones.
Oh, well done.
Look how I do it.
Show me. Oh,
And look.
good job.
Comes out. Look. Mine.
Am I supposed to put water in here?
Bob, that's why we have to read the instruction.
Read the water.
See? That's what I bought. So it's got enough. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and they are still awake. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and both are still awake. Ito siya, nag-nap kanina. Dapat sana 8 o'clock ang bedtime nito eh. Tingnan nyo, nagising. Ate Paris had something to eat. And now she's having a treat. Good girl. Umalis pala yan sila, guys. Where did you go before with Daddy?
Shop.
Shop? Did you walk the whole way? Yes?
Yeah.
Back to? Going there and coming back? Yeah?
Yeah.
Good girl. At while nandun si Daddy Mike tsaka si Ate Paris sa shops, i-deliver ito. Ayan. How do they call this one, Daddy? Pampas? Is that Pampas?
What's that?
This one.
No idea.
Pampas? I think Pampas. Yeah. So, this is not real, guys. Maganda tingnan din yung real, but this one looks okay naman. Hindi naman siya talaga na fake. But yeah, that looks very nice. Hindi pala namin dyan yan ilalagay. Wala pa kasi yung TV, kaya dyan ko nilagay. We are planning to, dito guys. Dito siya sa parang maliit na hallway na to. Andyan pang kailangan dalhin sa baba. Yeah, so that's the front door. So, my hallway table kami, diba? So, dyan namin nilalagay. And then, that's what we're gonna put in here. Sa taas ng table. And then, we're planning to put, mirror. Yeah, some kind of mirror. We'll see. But yeah, our place is starting to look like, you know, house now. See what everything is in here. Marami pa nga lang hindi ko matapos-tapos yung pag-unpack dyan. Anyways, it's fine. So tomorrow is going to be another exciting day kasi i-deliver na yung ating fridge. So di ba sabi ko last time na bibili sa Masdari natin sa shop na malapit sa kanyang work. Kaya lang, single door lang yung nandoon. So, nagtingin-tingin kami kagabi online and merong available for delivery na, 2 doors, guys. Kaya, bukas i-deliver. Tinawagan nila ako kanina just to make sure na nandito ako bukas from 11 to 2. So, it's going to be very, very exciting. You're going to have fridge tomorrow, honey girl. Oh,
I want a
double fridge? Yeah, it's double fridge. Okay, we'll end the vlog now. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all on the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you